Listen up, chumps and chuckleheads. It's me, Kinghuman. And I'm gonna try one more time to help you guys out. If you don't listen, it's entirely on you. I don't know if you realize what I've been doing for you. I've been a little quiet about it. Haven't been on YouTube for a while. But this is what's going down. If you're trying to make money online, listen to what I'm about to say. If you want to make money online, you have to change your thinking. When they strike gold in the hills, don't be one of the guys that goes up panning for gold. Be the guy at the bottom of the hill selling the picks, shovels, and mining equipment, and you'll be the guy to get rich. So you got to stop buying all of these shiny objects. If you're in shiny object syndrome where you keep buying these how to make money courses and you find you haven't made any progress, none of them have made you any money, you need to flip the script. So whenever you see some of these online gurus come on here and tell you how to make money, they're not telling you what they do themselves to make money. They're giving you basically a lead magnet. They're giving you a little crumb. They're throwing you a little crumb to try and make it seem like they care about you. Oh, you want to make money? Go do this. Cool. And you know what? It's a little helpful. It can be helpful to learn these little side hustles and things like that. But what I want you to do is, instead of going after those little side hustles, look at what these guys are doing themselves, because that's where the big money is. And I know what I'm talking about because I went from being a stupid truck driver to an online millionaire pretty darn quick. And I still make great money online. So here's what I want to do. You can do it or you can not do it. It's entirely up to you. I don't care what you do. Go to thekinghumanelite.com and sign up. Now, I charge for what I do. But in a minute, I'm going to turn you on to, well, not in a minute, I'll do it right now. Use promo code JUST8, JUST8, and you'll get in for $8. What do I mean by get in? You will get into my membership website where I will customize and make for you turnkey businesses that you can sell as your own products. Here's an example. I just finished creating a completely done for you affiliate campaign that I think can make good money. It's something I would do myself. But instead of doing it myself, what I've done is I've bundled it up and I'm handing it to you. And I'm giving it to you in my membership website. It'll be posted on the 1st of this coming month. And you can use that to make money. You can put your name on it. You can run that campaign, and I hope it makes you $1 million. I've made everything for you. 99.9% of all the work is done for you. Now, I was a professional affiliate marketer. I made huge money affiliate marketing. So when I put something together, it should work. I'm not going to guarantee it because some element depends on you, your follow through and how you do it. But here's where I take it to the next level. Not only do I give you that done for you, completely done for you affiliate marketing campaign that you can use to make passive income, but I give you the white label resale rights to that campaign. So if you want to take that affiliate campaign and instead of running it yourself, instead of being a miner that goes up panning for gold, if you want to take that affiliate campaign and sell it to other people, you can. I give you the rights to it, the full rights. White label rights. You can put your name on it. You can sell it for whatever you want. You can give it away for free to build up your email list. You can use it as a bonus for something else you sell. I have so many white label courses in my membership website. It's unbelievable. And I am doing a special pre-retirement situation where you can get access to over 2 years, I think, of all of this content for just $8. Remember, use the discount code JUST8 at checkout when you go to thekinghumanelite.com. I don't like pitching this. I don't like being on here and saying, hey, go buy my thing. You know, that I really feel creepy about doing that. But this may be the end of your ability to do this, to get access to my website. I'm thinking of retiring in the next, say, 6 months or so. I'm set. I got my money. I can go lay on a beach and lay out there like a big fat white cake of tofu and just relax. And I'm seriously considering doing that. So do it, don't do it, it's up to you. Now, the other thing I want to tell you is, as I'm keeping it real, when you go and buy courses from other gurus out there, they don't give 1/5 of a half-eaten shit about you. And that's what makes me different. I want you to be a success. That's why I give you a phone number where you can call up and get a hold of me, not a virtual assistant, not some low-paid person, customer service idiot that knows nothing. You get me. And how much do I charge you for that? Nothing. I do it for free for my members. Go out there and find some other online guru that'll do that. You won't. You can't. Never happen. I mean, they'll do it, but they'll charge you $2,000, $3,000 for their personal consultation, their personal one-on-one coaching. I would never do that. I would not be able to sleep at night if I took $2,000 or $3,000 from somebody who's trying to make a better life for themselves. I hate these online gurus that just exploit people. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna have a thrombo. Do it, don't do it. It's your life.